on,
Okay,
Dad.
gonna start it up here using my plastic welder. I didn't even know they had. I'm just putting that tip on. Gonna heat up this piece. Let me see if I can. First time I've ever tried this. Could use a heat gun. I'm not sure if this is better than a heat gun. This is my first practice attempt. Should have practiced on something a little less important. You got to get it started. It's really glued good.
Dad?
Yeah, buddy.
Can I zoom in?
Can you? Nah, you know. I'll zoom in. What the heck? Give it a try. Fun. I might need to go more. You could also take a saw, a hacksaw, or a sawzall. I'm gonna need more heat. A lot more heat. Really sticky. I'm gonna have to fast forward this because ain't nobody gonna watch all this stuff. Uh-oh. Still right here. I'm gonna work on this side. You want to do this, this puts off really bad fumes. You don't want to breathe this, I don't know, some probably chlorine, something chlorinated or something, PVC. Yeah. Let me see here. Oh yeah, that made it soft. Get it started with the screwdriver. I'm trying to save the piece. I've actually got it in a reducer and the fitting. So I probably have a second chance if I screw it up. I can also take the reducer off. But that's also making it a little more difficult. This is definitely a high pressure part right here. Okay, I think it's looking good. I'm just gonna get this whole side in. Let's see. And see how we go here. We're gonna get lucky here. So make my day if I get this out. Good. It's looking good, guys. Looking real good. I'm twisting it, and it's kind of rolling up. It feels like it's about to break. I got it half off, but it feels like it's gonna tear. I'm gonna force it. I can always heat up the other part. All right. It's coming out good. Coming out good.
Good.
I'm just trying to be extra careful. It's a good way to stab yourself, pushing that in there. Let's see. Okay. Came out.
Good.
That was a broken pipe. Let me see. Look at that. I'm gonna get a little sandpaper and sand that up. I might even just cut that off clean and use the same pipe. But that saved me changing all this stuff. Worked out great. Here, hit that red button.